Okay, hello guys. This is how to install the wiimmfi on your Wii. Turn your Wii on and your Wii remote. Okay, I just hit A on the working Wii remote. You go to the Wii options. Go to Wii settings. Okay. Okay, go to internet connection settings. Change settings. So you're going to have to go to the DNS file. That's the old address. So you're going to have to set the IP address to 95.217.77.151. I think that you should set the secondary DNS to 8.8.8.8. Alright, confirm. Save settings. Test the connection. If this doesn't work, maybe you have to go how to search it up yourself. If this doesn't work. Hey! It was very successful. No, thank you. Go back. And then here's what you do. Go to the Wii Connect 24 contract information, the third button, which is user agreement. Hit yes. Confirm that you do. Hey! It worked! Don't press any of the buttons below. You have to wait until this is done. You do not hit I accept, and you do not hit I do not accept. You just do nothing. It will be on that screen for 1 minute 30 seconds through 2 minutes. If it may not work, then maybe you have to wait. Bummer. The last IP address I used, no, not the IP address. The last DNS I used was the incorrect DNS. It turns out it's 2020, and that was for the past. Now for the present, I showed you what I typed in, and it worked. wiimmfi worked. Okay, so wait for more time. It is now 1:34 p.m. on Tuesday, June 23, 2020. Oh, there we go. Waiting for game disk. Okay. Please wait. Okay. It's accepting the patches. Alright. Online interactions not rated by the ESRB. Let's use mine. Nintendo WFC. You hit 1. Player, since I'm alone. Nintendo WFC. Since I installed wiimmfi, this may work this time. What? It worked! It worked! Worldwide versus Mario. No, manual. This is me. me, that person, that person, that person, and that person. Your opponents have been chosen. Please wait a moment. You will join the next race. People who have been using WFC is discontinued, and you can use the wiimmfi method I used. Okay, preparing the race. Please wait a moment. I will do Luigi circuit. Waiting for everyone's vote. Randomly. SNES goes to that. No, Moonview Highway. I wasn't paying attention.